Hi you guys, this is Willie from Information Hub. So we're going to start that WordPress tutorial today. So first we're going to need a domain name. That's going to cost you 80 Rand per year. Then we're going to get a hosting company to host your website. That's going to cost you 18 Rand per month. And then we're going to design your website on WordPress absolutely free. So let's get started. So in South Africa I'm using Absolute Hosting at the moment because Absolute Hosting is the cheapest I could find in South Africa. So we're going to go hosting, WordPress hosting, and just scroll down. Then you're going to get these packages here for 18, 45, 60. I think there's a 95 and more. But if you want to start up, you can always upgrade. So start with the 18 Rand per month one and click buy now. Then you're going to select the domain name. So your domain name can be anything. It can be your name, your company's name, whatever you want it to be. Then you're going to check if it's available. You can use .co.za, .app, .com, .joburg, Cape Town, Net, XYZ, Africa. But we're going to stick with .co.za because most people in South Africa tend to trust .co.za more than anything else. So we're going to click continue. Then it's going to cost you 12 Rand 60 plus the 80 Rand you have to pay for your domain name each year. But if you're going to want to save some money, you can always choose the annual or semi-annual. On the annual you're going to pay 210 Rand every 12 months. So every 12 months that's what your website's going to cost you. And then the domain name is absolutely free. Okay, I'm going to stick with this one. If you don't want to spend that kind of money, you can just pay that 18 Rand per month one and click continue. Click checkout. You can fill in all your personal information here. And then when you're finished with all that personal information, just write down your passwords and stuff you used here. Don't forget them, so write them down. Then you can click here to choose your payment method. And if all is done and you've paid and all that stuff is done, you can say complete order. And I'm not going to go through with that because I already have my domain names and all that stuff. So when they finish, they're going to, maybe in a few hours or a day, they're going to send you email with your WordPress login. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, just depends on. Then you're going to get a login for your WordPress, and it's usually going to be your domain name -WordPress -WP login.php. Okay, so then you're going to just type in your email address there and your password. It's a very long, strange password they're going to give you, so just put it in there. And we're going to change that now. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to users, your profile. Then we're going to go down, put in all your personal information here. If you've got a special email address you want to use for a website, and I might say you need to tend to use a personal email for your website, not your own email address. Install it there. Then you're going to choose generate password. Then you're going to change that password to something you can remember. After you've done that, you're going to say update profile. Then we're going to go to tools, settings, permalinks. So most of the time they're going to say day and name. So that usually looks unprofessional because then it's going to be your domain name, WordPress -WP what. So it's a lot of things altogether. You're just going to choose post name. So then it's going to be short, and you're going to say save changes. Okay. Then we're going to go to plugins. If you've got plugins installed here, because most of the time your hosting company installed plugins, you click there. There's a block here. You're going to click there. You're going to say delete all plugins, deactivate all plugins, and then you're going to delete all the plugins. After you've done that, you're going to click on add new. I'm going to click here. We're going to search for Elementor. Then we're going to say install now for Elementor page builder. Okay, so after it's finished installing, you can click activate. Okay, then we're going to click add new. Then we're going to search for Astra. And then we're also going to click on that starter templates for Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg. We're going to click install now. Then we're going to click activate. Okay, if you've done all that, you can now go to appearance and themes. Then you can go to Astra theme and click activate. Then you can go to theme details. Then you can go to start the templates. So here you've got all the templates you can choose from, and there's thousands and thousands and thousands of them. So the agency ones you have to pay for them, but there should be more than enough free ones for you to start with. There's e-commerce stores, there's blogging sites. That's actually every site you require, you can get it here. So we're going to go, and I'm going to use this one, and then we've got 6-page website here. We're going to say import complete site. So that's going to import this entire 6-page website on one click of a button. So we're going to click import complete site. Then we're going to click delete previous imported sites. Then we're going to click import. So it should take about 2 to 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, depending on the speed of your internet. So just be patient, it will install. Okay, and if we're done with that, we can go and view site. And that would be your complete WordPress website. Entire website imported, 6 pages long with a blog page, and as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to go back to WordPress itself. Then we're going to go to, let's go just see here. Okay, we're going to go to WordPress again, into the site itself. And then you can get customize. Customize is when you want to edit with WordPress. If you want to edit with WordPress, there's different things you need to edit with WordPress, and there's different things you need to edit with Elementor. With Elementor, you're going to edit most of the static pages. So a static page is a page that doesn't change a lot. It's a constant thing, it looks always the same. With a blog post, it changes. It's always changing, and there's not any blogs at the moment there. Okay, if we finish there, we can close here. We can go to WordPress. Then we can see our entire site from here. So you've got your home, about. So it's a complete 6-page website, installed complete with all your plugins, everything you require for it. So you can edit this, do with what you want to. So we're going to go to edit with Elementor. Okay, with Elementor you can edit anything. Anything on a static page, you can edit it, you can change it, photos, anything. You can edit your videos, you can edit anything on here. The only thing you're not going to be capable of editing with Elementor is going to be your blog. So, but that will handle later. So I'm going to just open here. Okay, so you got text, headings, inner sections, images, and. But first, let's see simple. That's going to change the image. So you're going to click on that there. Then you're going to choose image. We're going to make this a dancing theme. So we're going to give you a dancing website. Insert. So it's as simple as that. Then we can change this back image here, that image that looks like this, that one there in the back. We're going to change that one. We're going to click here. We're going to click style. We're going to choose image. We're going to scroll down. Let's choose that image there. Insert media. Okay. Then we're going to scroll down. Background overlay. Background overlay is basically, I'm just going to show you. So if you take a look at that picture, you can see that's the background overlay. So you can change it to any color you want. I actually love it just to be like that, so I'm going to keep it like that. And that's how it looks. Okay, I'm going to open here again. I'm just going to remove this because we're not going to need this one here. Delete. Okay, so we can edit the text if you just click next to it. And let's change this to Dancing 101. And you can take this, you can leave this there, you can remove it, you can delete it, you can do with it whatever you want to. You can take this here, click on it, and let's say you want to change it to free dancing lessons. Yeah, some more simple thing like that. I'm going to scroll down so you can choose these images here. Click on style, click on images again. Okay, there we go. So you're going to edit these pictures here and delete this one, delete this one, delete that one. We're going to select files, not select files, sorry, we're going to add to gallery. We're going to select this one, that one, and that one. And one thing you need to remember if you're going to do SEOs, always on your alt text, fill that in and make sure you remove these numbers here. So you're going to say, what does the picture say? Let's leave it to adult dancing and just put JPEG next to it. And then your caption is also going to be dancing with it's a male. So whatever you can see in the picture, that's going to be your caption. Female, and so on and so on. The more you captions you install, the better. And your description is just taking those words you installed, inserted there. You're just going to take those words and you're going to make them a sentence with them. So you're going to say dancing male and female. That's all. And you're going to say add to gallery. And we're going to say insert to gallery, and as easy as that, you change those. So you can change this here. Let's say we're going to change that to how I started dancing. Okay, simple as that. And then you can edit this text here. That's not all you can do. You can say maybe this section here, you don't like this section, you want to install a new section. So you're going to just open there and just remove this entire section like this. And again. Whoop. Okay, then we're going to install a new section. You're going to just click here maybe. Okay, let's say you want to install 3. And we're going to do 3 here. So we click there on that buttons there. Let's say we want to put a text in the middle there, text heading. So you get different types of texts. You get text headings, you get text editor, that's your normal text, that's your text headings. Here we want to install a video maybe, and the video you can install, yeah, basically whatever you want. You can use a YouTube video if you got, your Vimeo video if you got, Dailymotion if you got, or you can choose self-hosted. I'm going to self-host this one. I think I already got one. Again, remember to do your title, caption, description, and insert media. And then you also can choose your video options. You can say autoplay, so whenever somebody logs into your website, it's going to autoplay automatically. On that section, let's choose this again. That's that section. We're going to install just an image. Okay, and choose image. I think we're going to install, let's choose that one and say insert media, and there we go. You inserted a complete section by yourself. And I did this in, I think, in what, approximately not even 5 minutes. I started editing a page and it's already looking like a dancing page. So we're going to go to the top here, going to open here, we're going to say update. Remember always to update. You finished updating, I'm going to click there, we're going to go view page, and that's your own page already. Okay, now we're going to go to edit with Elementor, but you're going to go to footer. So when you edit the footer with Elementor, it's going to edit the entire site. So when you edit this footer on one page, it will edit the entire website's footer. So when you change this one, it's going to change all of them. So you're going to click here, I'm going to click style, I'm going to change this background image here. I'm going to choose the same image I used on the top, insert media. Okay, then we're going to scroll down, background overlay again, going to change the color here, And again, we've got that. And then you can change this, your example, your email address, your phone number. You can delete it, you can keep it there, you can delete that. I'm going to teach you how to design your own logo and a website you can do it on. So we're going to leave that a little bit for later. So I'm going to say update. Okay, and click here again and go view page. Then you go just with WordPress again, then you can click WordPress again, so it just comes back to normal. And there we go. And already we started a dancing site. So we'll just click, I'm going to take this one out here, I'm going to click edit with Elementor. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to delete this one here because I haven't got any work for it right now. If you have got work for it, you can keep it. If you don't, take it out. So I'm going to leave it like that. We're going to say update. And we're going to click here. Let's say view page. Here we go. Scroll down. Okay, so you want to edit this piece here. That logo and this here. Okay, you can't do that with Elementor, so you're going to click customize. Now we're going to edit that piece with WordPress itself. Okay, so we're going to go to menus, top navigation. Now you're going to choose what you want to change. Maybe you don't have a success stories page, but you have a, it's maybe going to be called dancing page, just like that. And then you can just push publish and you'll see dancing change there, and you can do it with everything there. Okay, to change this logo here, you're going to click there. Okay, so first we're going to go to this website here, there, free logo maker. Okay, we will leave a link and all that links and stuff you're going to require at the bottom of the video. So you can click here. Okay, so we're going to click there. We're going to put in, you're going to use dancing, so we're going to say dancing. It's going to search for dancing. I'm just going to use a simple one, but you can go, let's say multicolor on dancing, not that. Okay, one back. Free logo maker. Okay, say dancing. Go search. Let's see what they've got here. So we're going to use that one. Okay, and this one you can make it small, big, any color you want. I'm just going to make it small, like this. Change the color. Let's use that one. Then you can put a text heading in there. I'm going to make it smaller a little bit. I'm going to move it. I'll put it next to it. And then we're going to type something in here. We're going to say dancing. Nope. Dancing 101. Okay, and now we can make this opacity. I'm going to keep the opacity like this. I think I'm going to use a pink on that one. Then we can change the outline, line width, change it like this. We can change that outside lining. I think we're going to go with that light blue or red maybe. Nope. Let's go with the blue, just like that. That's it. Okay, and there's a simple logo. Now we're going to go to save logo. You just go no thanks, download low resolution file. You can pay for a high resolution file if that's the logo you're going to keep. And then we're going to go out here, go back to our site. Okay, so we're going to remove this logo. So we're going to select logo, going to upload a file, select files. After you selected your file, you're going to choose that image. Remember to install your alt text and your title and your captions. I'm not going to struggle with that now. So you can just crop this image a little bit more. And then crop image. And there we go. So you can change the size if you want the logo width to change a little bit, want to make it bigger, smaller, depends on you. It's a simple logo, but you can make a better logo if you want to. And then you can click publish. Okay, what you can do here on WordPress also by this, you can change these. You can click there. Okay, so if we want to edit this here, so we want to change these colors and stuff, we're going to go back, we're going to go to global, we're going to go to colors, base colors, and here we can change the link color. So if you want to change the entire site's link color, going to click on that, then you'll see it change your link colors up above here. It's going to make it a little bit more red, so that's going to change the link color, and it will also change the buttons link color. No, okay, then theme color, you can change the theme color also if you want to. That will change the entire site's theme color. Okay, I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to publish, and I'm going to close. Okay, and then you'll see this. You've got your dancing, home, about. So on any, if you change your global settings, all of your global settings will change. I'm going to scroll down, you see there your footer still stays the same. Okay, so let's say we want to change this page here. So we're going to click on Elementor again. Okay, then we're going to click on that buttons there. We're going to say style. Going to choose image, and we're going to change it also to the same image. Insert media, and we're going to change the background overlay again. We'll choose this. Just like that. Yeah, you can it's a basic thing. Whatever we did on the home page, we're going to do, you can do it in any other page except on your blog page. Your blog page you have to change in WordPress itself. So we're going to click on update. I'm going to go to view page. There we go. And as I said, you can change basically anything. You can insert, you can remove, you can delete, you can edit images, you can install words, you can do whatever you want to here. Okay, so we're going to go to the contact page. I'm going to go edit with Elementor again. Okay, I'm going to change this image also here. I'm going to click on style, choose image. I'm going to choose that same image again, insert media. I'm going to change that background overlay again. Like that. And I'm going to say update. Okay, so if you don't want this here, you can just click on that, like on right click and delete. Okay, this is usually filled in by your WP forms. Most of the time it works from the start. If it doesn't, we'll handle that a little bit later. Okay, so we're going to click update again, and basically your contact page is finished. If you want to install a picture maybe into here, you're just going to click there. You're going to say style. So there's no picture involved in here, so we're going to get, should be one here. Click on classic, there we go, choose image, and let's say we're going to install, let's choose that one somewhere and install it, and you're going to get something like that. Here we go, and there's your about page. It actually looks nice. So I'm going to class, I'm going to say update, and we're going to go view page. And there's your contact page. And go home. Okay, so remember, if you edit with Elementor, You can get, if you want to change the image and you don't have an image for a space for that, you can always go and get the image by Pixabay. So let me just show you quickly. Let's say maybe this picture here. I'm going to change this picture again. So let's say choose image. So I haven't got an image that I want to install there. So I'm going to click free images from Pixabay. Then I'm going to search here for free style dancing. Okay, and then we can get images here for freestyle dancing, and all of these images on Pixabay are free. So I'm just going to see if I can get one I want to use. Okay, I'm going to use that one, so you can click on it, and we're going to say insert media, and there we go, and they've got another picture. There's also another way to do it. You can go there, you can click image, choose image, then you can click upload files. So you can go to Pixabay itself and you can download your images from there, and you can say freestyle dancing, and you can go search, and you get all your freestyle images, and you can click on the image you want to use. Just remember one thing, so if you're going to say free download, don't go for the biggest image you can find. Go for second smallest or the smallest image. If you want a bigger image, you need to keep in mind the speed for your web page. So I'll say go for that image. You can click download, and I'm not a robot, and you can click download, so it will download, and then you can go back to your site, and you can say upload files, and then you can just upload a file from where you download it onto your PC, and you can just insert the media from there. Okay, I can say update, and we can go view page. Then we're gonna go to your dashboard or go back into your WordPress. Okay, so just keep in mind, pages are static, so it's never changing, and then your posts are always things that change. So you're going to add post, add post, add post, add post, and add some more, and it will always keep on changing. So a static page is like your about, contact, home, programs, success stories. A blog page is not a static page because it's usually changing when you change your post. Your blog post change also. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so we're gonna go back to WordPress, and let's say we want to change these buttons here because you want people to see how I started dancing. You want to let them know more about it. So we're gonna go to WordPress. We're going to go to posts. So we're going to create a post quickly for that. So add new post. Okay, and we're going to say how I started dancing, and we're going to say publish, and you're going to write there and whatever you want to do and say publish. Okay, if you go to posts again, and you can go back to how I started dancing and edit, you'll see here you've got a permalink here. Just click on permalinks, and you see that one there. Just copy it, copy link address, and we can go back to WordPress, and we can go here. We can say edit with Elementor, and scroll down. We'll just click on this button here. We'll scroll down and click on that button. You'll see you'll get a link there, so you can just right click, paste, and that's it. You can say update, and we can go visit site or view page, Okay, we're going to scroll down and see if it works. I'm going to click no more, and there we go. How I started dancing. There's your post. So the more you write, the bigger the post is going to be. You can insert photos, pictures, headings, and that's all going to happen on WordPress on your post. Okay, so we're going to go back home. Okay, let's say you want to create a new piece on this page of yours in front on your static home page. So we're going to click edit with Elementor first. Okay, then we're going to scroll down. Okay, so let's say you want to install it here. We're going to click add new, that plus button. I'm going to click that plus button again, and let's say you want to take one block, and I'm going to change that, sorry, I'm going to change it to delete. I want to change it to a double block. So I'm going to add new, so change it to a double block. Okay, so I want to put in there an image, I say on the side also, and I want to put in on that side, I want to put text heading there on the top, put a text heading, and I also want to put some normal text in here. Okay, so yeah, you can just write some more, and you can change your text heading here, and you can change your image, of course. If you just click on there, you can change your image from there. I'm just going to install some first image I've got, so I'm going to switch image. I'm going to choose here, so I'm going to choose that one, insert media. Okay, so let's say you want to install a button here. You can just go here, and you'll see there's a small thing there, button, and you can just hold it there, and there's your button. You can edit the button size also if you want to. You can click style, and with style you can change the typography. Let's say maybe you want to change you want to change the click here. So let's say you want to change the click here, so you can just go to content, and you'll see there's a text there where I click here. You can change it, and let's say we're going to change it to read more. Here we go. If you go to advanced, we can, okay, so let's say you want to change the button to the center or down more, so you can just go to advanced, and you'll see there by padding, just unclick that link there, and you can change it like this, the other side. There we go. We can move it to down, okay. And if you want to choose, maybe move it a little bit more to the left or the right. Okay, and let's see here. There we go. You can move it wherever you want it, and that's it. And then again, you can, if you edit the post for this, and you can then edit your permalink into your read more here, and you can install that link. You click onto the button, you can go to content, you can change the link there, and you can just copy and paste your link for read more about whatever you're going to write there. Okay, and then we can just say update, and we're going to say view page, and then we go to, so yeah, and then you've got basically your page is almost done. And then it just depends on you writing a post and editing all your pages, and then yeah, it's gonna take you, probably in the beginning it's gonna take you a few days to complete. Okay, so I just want to show you something about posts. So we're gonna go to post. I'm gonna delete these posts that came with the website. So we just click bulk actions, move to trash, apply. Okay, then we can click trash, and we can say empty trash. Here we go. So then we'll just go to back to all posts. Okay, this is the post we created, that how I started dancing. So let's edit that one. Okay, so now we're on the back end of WordPress. So when you create a post, you're going to edit with WordPress your post. Okay, so let's say you want to install an image, so you're going to go to future image. You're going to set future image. Let's make the future image that one. Always remember alt text, title, captions, description, and then set future image. I'm going to just write something here. I started. Okay, and let's say you want to install another block or something. Let's say you want to add a new block under this. You can just click the plus. There's a lot of different ones. You can use Ultimate Add-ons blocks by that one. You can choose PostScript. You'll learn the difference between all of these. I'm just going to install a heading, but I don't want the heading on top of that one, so I'm going to choose it underneath, and I'm going to say how I started, just like that. And I'm going to say update. So when you finish writing your entire post, you can install images, and you can click there, and so you can install an image. You can just go like this. You can just scroll down. You can choose common blocks, choose image, and you can just media library or upload image if you have one, and you can go down. I'm also going to choose that image there and select, and you see there you go. And we're going to say update, and we can go back to WordPress. We'll go back to your blog, because wherever your post, most of your posts will always show onto your blog. And there we go, there's your post. So you can go back to your home page. Then we did this one's link, so you can click no more, and they will go back to your post. So on every one of these, where your buttons are and all that, you can say, if you've got a post about this one, you can install the link for that on Elementor, and so on and so on. Like this also, you've got a post, and with all those you can install the links from that posts. You can install the links here. Okay, so I'm making it look quicker than it should be, and because I had my troubles and my training on this. At first you're going to struggle, and it's not going to be easy, and you're going to go through the video and rewind the video and play the video and pause the video and because that's what we did in the beginning. So it's going to take you a while to learn, but don't let your website go live before you are happy, because we had to delete our website 5 times, I think, or 6 times, I'm not sure anymore, before we got to our last website that is working, this one here. So this one is ours, and this came through, I think it was 5 or 6, I'm speaking under correction, but I think it was 5 or 6 websites we went to, deleted and redone everything. That's because nobody told us to keep SEOs in mind from the start, so we had to redo everything. Then we had to learn about rank math or your SEOs. Then we had to learn about your site kit, and we also had to learn about the SSL certificate. So on my next video I'll be showing you how to do your rank math and to get your Google Site Kit running, and how to get your SSL certificate up and running. That's quite easy also to do. So let's stay tuned. On the next video I'm going to show you how to do that.